Good morning. Today is a new vlog, and today we're going to the sanctuary of Thruth. Well, I'm basically here already, and they had a sign that said no drones. I might like fly over from somewhere else, but so apparently I have to wear a helmet. This is what I used to hate most about my job. This is beautiful, really. I just love things like this. This amount of detail, especially in wood, this is just amazing. It cost me 500 baht to get in. It's quite a lot, but this is worth it. That was just beautiful. Damn. This is actually like the largest not single wood, but the largest building out of just wood without any other materials, so that's quite cool. Well, you will think this is an old temple. Apparently it's not. This is, they started building this in 1981 or something, and well, it's still cool. It's just it's not as old as you would expect. That was it from the sanctuary of Thruth. Funny thing how this is all built by some businessmen who had an idea, like not even 40 years ago. Like, I would actually think this is some kind of old temple, which obviously is not true. So, well, it's still as cool as it is. Anyway, time to head back to the hotel, hostel, whatever, maybe do some work till about 12. I have to check out at 12, so... Well, this is the end of my Pattaya adventure, and it's been only 2 days, but 2 days is more than enough in Pattaya for me. I just returned my motorbike, and I'm gonna get me some food and then wait for the bus to arrive. The bus is in about 15 minutes, so I might just get some McDonald's. I just spotted McDonald's over there. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll get some Viagra. Nah, I'm just kidding. For now, I'm back in Bangkok for just a bit. DJI saved my ass. The DJI store in Bangkok. I fucking got the new cable. The old one wasn't even working anymore, so I had to get a new one. And now, it might be too late, but I'm gonna go to the airport, and I have 3 options. Okay, so I got to the airport, booked myself a flight to Phuket this time.